Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Beautiful image up here on my screen by Brandt, raw straight out of camera image. This one's a JPEG. And I'm just going to show you a quick sweep through of the LSP Femme presets for Evoto. Evoto is super fast. The whole point of Evoto is it's not hand editing. It's not editing by eye like Photoshop. It's editing by AI. And it definitely has a place in your workflow. So on this tutorial, you can watch the other tutorials for the in-depth look at the Femme presets, because inside you have the all-in-one base, which I'm going to show you in a minute, but you also have base adjustments that you can build up, portrait retouch with skin, teeth, eyes, makeup, hair, dress, body mods, and finishing touches. And you can check those out on the other tutorials. For this one, I'm just going to show you how the all-in-one presets work. For this one, it's nice and dark. I'm going to hit midnight. This all-in-one preset works, uses every part of Evoto that I've kind of carefully tweaked and slid so you don't have to. Before and after. If it's a little bit too much for you, you can go in and you can change some of these settings down a little bit. And just a little quick slide, but the presets do like 99% of the work for you. Before and after. Should we zoom in a little and check out the skin? Before and after on a few seconds of editing. Absolutely crazy. And you can check out the other tutorials. There's plenty online about using Evoto. Evoto is designed to be fast. That's kind of the whole point of it. So if you're spending too long clicking about in Evoto, second guessing what you're doing, that's why I've designed the Femme presets. Again, let's grab another image up. How about this one here? Beautiful shot here by Charlie Kaufman, Click Photography, using the LSP background, chintz background there. So let's use, for this one, let's try editorial. That's just playing out and it's done. And now we have an editorial edit with the LSP touch, before and after. Or we could go, just reset that. Likes to bounce around a bit if you drag a preset. How about fashion? And this is going to add a total edit to this one. Bam, bam. Ready for fashion. It's so awesome. It's so cool. So I hope you love using these presets. If you watch the other video tutorials, you'll see exactly how to kind of get them and install them and what each section does. For this tutorial, I'm literally focusing on the all-in-one section. Super, super quick. Let's go for one last all-in-one. Beautiful high key image here by Brandt. Just reset that one down. So on the all-in-one section, I'm going to go high key sweep. And there we go. Before and after. High key sweep. And you can come make your own, you can make your own adjustments. You can do whatever it is you want to do. And just a little tweaker there. Beautiful. Evoto is super fast. And with the LSP installed into your back end, makes it even faster and more intuitive. So I hope you love these. I hope you love watching the full tutorials where you can learn exactly how to use these presets to enhance your Evoto workflow even more. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.